I honestly can't tell. It might be live right now for all I know. It's on YouTube. It's on Facebook. Okay, I think it worked. I think it posted it on there, so we're good. We're live.
Okay.
What's up, everybody?
What's up?
CBIO.
If you want to post it in the Discord, we got a couple of trades going here. Couple big wins today. NIO, we took over 800% on our lotto calls yesterday. We've been holding actual stock since $2.
NGL.
Um, that is up
CBIO.
quite a bit. Let me pull. Let me see what is the NIO at right now.
I don't see it in the Penny Boys Facebook.
Oh, it says it's live.
No, I don't see it.
So I sold most. We're up right now 689% on those 22s. Still waiting to sell some of those. We're up 80% on the January calls. In all honesty, I think NIL is going to come down touch here of the 23% fib. That's more than likely what we're going to see. What else do we got going here?
What we don't have going is the Facebook.
Oh, Netflix there and that worked. Let me see. Let me go on there. I'm pretty sure it posted, and it should have posted in both because it went in the Robinhood group. Unless Sean, oh, maybe he didn't. Yeah, it's just in the Robinhood group because Sean didn't. He changed the name of it, and I must have thought that he actually set it up for Penny Boys, but I don't think he did. Oh, this is cool, man. It subtitles it for us. That's fantastic. Are you frozen or are you just standing there? Can't tell. Frozen.
INFI.
Frozen in time. I don't know. Anyway, NIL, I see that coming back down to the 23% fib. I think more than likely that's what we're going to see. Push
PYPD.
new highs again. We took at the top. I sold most of them. Oh, there you're back. I sold most of them at about 800%. If you're not in the group, I will post a link to the group in the comments. Free alerts, trading education. If you're not in the group, you should be. If you've been holding bags on plays, you should be, because you wouldn't do that. Or if you just haven't been trading, basically, if you haven't been trading more than 3 years, you will find immense benefit. One of the free alerts today, we played MKRR for like 36% on a day trade.
Did you welcome everybody, or did you just go straight
I
into
welcomed them. I said, "Yo, what's going on?" I gave them a shalom.
First time watchers, we are the boys from Penny Boys Stock Alerts. Over here we got Austin, aka Big Quench. I'm Fast Eddie. Hope everybody's chilling today, and welcome
HLX.
Premium members and new members and people that are seeing us for the first time. All right.
Wunderbar.
It's wunderbar.
So it's where we can do those. Oh, those Amazon and the T-Dot calls are pumping right now. It's good stuff. Did some
PYPD.
fantastic plays in the crisp, deliciously
Yeah.
tender plays.
Past few weeks have been fire.
I know. It's been unbelievable. I hope that they fill the gap. NIO could hold up here. If you bought it above $24, I would probably take some profit. If you're in the group with us, you would have got it at either the first alert $2.70, the second alert at $4, or the third one at $7. We have not had to add it since, as we've been in already hundreds of percent ago. So if you're not, I would consider it, as you could have been too. On top of that, Oh, I could start a watch
Ethan.
the other group. That's, no.
INFI.
What you got going on over there, guy? You frozen
I'm.
again?
I am.
You frozen again?
Really? Am I frozen again?
Why
See
you been
moving?
frozen, man? Why you
I'm.
frozen?
I froze.
Cut that
NXGN.
shit out.
Yeah. Do I need to relaunch?
No, you should.
Yeah, I don't see the. I don't see the link still.
To those in the group, that was a fantastic ad. I think on Fluidine today. I'm still holding a good, good chunkus of that. I added some THMO. I'm gonna add some more. Add a little OPTT just now. PLL. I added a little more. Still holding SPAQ and Mavisius. If you guys have any questions, if you're in the Discord already, post them in the Discord. If you don't have any questions, then don't post them anywhere, because you don't have any.
I'm trying to understand because how many people you see watching in the Discord right now?
I don't know. That's a good question. I'm not streaming it in there right now, but maybe I
Right.
should.
And I don't see it on the Facebook page either.
It should be on the Robin Hood page at least. Yeah, it might not be on the Penny Boy page right now.
Yeah. There's no members watching because unless it was posted somewhere I didn't see.
No, I was asking if you could post.
Yo, I'll be happy to.
Put it in Dad's house.
Yeah.
Dude, the only problem is the audio. They double here the audio. Hold on, I could just get it on YouTube. Yeah. Well, some are watching on. Yeah.
Filling in Dad's house now.
Barbette, some of them had the YouTube notification.
Yeah, I
on.
see that.
Look at that, Slamazon. Come on, Jeff. Come on, Jeff. Do it for me now, Jeff. Jeff Bezos is just in this weird little sweaty room.
Mm-hmm.
He's just riding this Peloton bike, and that's how Amazon stock works.
Maybe.
The second he stops, goes down. So all these dips are when old Jeff he got all tuckered out.
AXTI.
All right. Let me try and restream this in Dad's house.
I realized there's a guy at the group named Walmart. I don't know why it never hit me. Talked to him a few times, but it hit me that it's Walmart.
Can I restream this in Dad's house but mute my mic? Will it still work if I stream it right now? From a different computer?
Oh, you can stream it, yeah.
Okay, let's see.
PFMT.
Oops.
Yeah. But yeah, you could stream it. You could stream within it in there. Get Jay Blazer. That's where he needs to be. So duck has has Zika virus and well, I don't know if chlamydia. That's contagious, I guess.
XXII.
Chlamydia and Zika virus in combinations.
Trib. HCCH.
So it's pretty
Trib.
lethal.
I don't know how good it's gonna look here.
It's gonna look amazing and terrible
Because like,
all at once.
how do I make it full screen in the stream if I'm pulling it from a web page?
Wait, did it work on the website too?
I just went to YouTube.
Oh. Oh, it is set up. Just didn't go on. So
Okay, it's not working for me.
what is not working for you?
It's not letting me stream it. Oh, hold on, maybe now. 720, 30 frames.
I would do a little more if you can.
1080, 30 frames or 60 frames?
Yeah, that should be fine.
Okay, so now the problem is, I don't think they're going to be able to see.
Really disappointed with iBio today.
So they don't really see this. They see like the whole page with the YouTube chat and everything. How do I just pull that out into there? That's the question.
What do you mean?
Like, how do I just make it full screen for everybody instead of they see the YouTube chat and all of that?
Well, I would just full screen the whole thing then.
Yeah, but if I go full screen the whole thing, it disappears for them for some reason.
Oh,
So weird.
I don't know, man. I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know. A GameStop would pop a touch more. Workhorse is also dead. What's that turd at right now? Trend line fail, new consolidation area. Jeff needs to pedal faster. Get it worked out. I mean, dude, they can go on YouTube. Not that big of a deal, really.
I guess, Billy.
I'm so glad so many people got to take that NIO trade. It was a cheaper option. Love it when those just blast off.
Kind of always love the blast offs.
So tell me your life story. Talk to me.
That's a long freaking story. I don't think we're gonna need more than an hour.
Yeah. Where were you born?
I was born in actually New Jersey. Grew up in New York. Well, first moved to a couple of places around New Jersey. Then we moved to Connecticut. Then moved to New York in like fourth grade. Grew up in New York and then moved to Florida when I was 19. Does that answer your question? So nosy.
Yeah. What do you got written on that board behind you? That's another question I've always had.
Oh, a really tall, I don't know, 10, 20, 30-foot wall here in our creative space in our house. And it's everybody has to sign the wall when they come over with chalkboard. It's a chalkboard wall. It's a massive chalkboard wall.
I'm gonna need more real estate, so we're gonna have to erase a touch.
Actually, there's plenty of real estate up top.
I want to be. Want to
We have a
prominent
ladder.
placement.
We got a ladder. People come in and they
Oh, that's good stuff.
see. Look here. Look. See, it goes and goes and goes. I can't even turn it up the
Oh, that
camera.
is
That.
pretty high.
Yeah.
Good stuff. You show them your porn wall
I don't have a porn
with all
wall.
the porn DVD. Or never mind, I shouldn't say that.
Yeah, go
Never mind,
forth.
I'm just kidding.
I'm really not advertising for UFC. I just put on my UFC gear because I used to be a host for UFC. I did that for a little bit for fun little gig.
You'd host and help the gentlemen enter their tights effectively.
No.
That'd be awesome.
Dude, I'm gonna
That
go
would be
watching
the
my
best
tweet.
job, to be honest. If we're being honest here.
A UFC fluffer.
That would be awesome.
I should have not tried to take a sip of coffee. What happened?
Be a rough gig though.
Go forth. I have done quite a bit in my life. I've been very fortunate. I've been working since I was 12 years old, but I've had good times and bad times like everybody else, but I've been very fortunate to experience a lot of things, and even from a young age. And I think by the time I was 17, I didn't tell anybody anything I was doing or have done because I didn't want to sound like a jerk, or try and sound like I was trying to impress anybody. So I just didn't tell anybody anything I did. But I almost died 2 weeks before my 18th birthday.
Helps when your brother-in-law's Jeff Bezos. Isn't that how you got the thing? Or
What
wait,
thing?
am I not supposed to say that?
No, you're not
My bad.
can't talk about
But
Bezos.
anyway,
He's always listening, especially if you have a
J-Bag.
what's Alexa. If you have an Alexa in your house, they're always listening. So you got to be careful what you say. I unplugged all that crap.
Oh yeah, they're always listening to that.
They literally, Amazon like literally said, yes, we listen to just what you say in your house for research purposes. They said that like last year or a year and a half ago or something like that, 2 years ago.
Yeah.
As soon as they came out with that, I was like, unplug. It's bad enough you say something, on your phone and like you say something and like Facebook sends you an ad miraculously.
Yeah, what would be awesome is if J-Bag was just sitting and he has all these like old, like those old things people used to talk to. It looks like a horn. You ever seen
Like
those in old
like
houses? That have like one end of the horn downstairs, the other one upstairs, kind of like those cans on a string, but it's a brass horn. He's just got a bunch of those on his wall, and he just listens to people's personal conversations all day.
It sounds really creepy.
He gets alerted every time someone mentions him or Jeff in general. So he's listening to it. Just he only likes Jeff related content.
Yeah.
Anything about another Jeff he listens to. What else he does? Well, I don't know.
What stock go forth? Which one? Amazon? For all our premium members in the house, welcome once again. If you guys have a question or want to say a little something, above Dad's house, live stream chat is where you type to us. Don't be shy. Ask us anything, especially Austin. Yeah, Amazon. Okay, let's look.
Really?
Amazon. Okay.
About Schlamazon.
Hello, Lily Star. He said. Go 47 when we were as soon as we started talking about it, it went up. Oh, who said that? Yeah, go forth. Lily Star in the house.
Lily's car in the.
Lily Star is one of our star female traders.
Oh, should I be? Oh, started playing out loud.
What started playing out loud?
Cash from Discord.
You're really slacking on this.
What?
I don't see the chat in the YouTube from the Discord. we're gonna have a dad
I
conversation
went
after this stream.
minimalist. I went minimalist today. That's the fib retracement levels. You have to draw those. Draw. You gotta draw.
Go forth. You don't ever have to shut up. It's all good.
Gotta shut up. Who's gotta shut up?
Cash says, "Hi there. Could I ask what indicator is the one you used on Workhorse, showing support and resistance
I
levels?"
just typed him. Oh, maybe
Thanks.
pivot point that you could use.
Captain Insano says, back. Bank of America earnings came out this morning and they did not seem to be that favorable. Their price dropped a nice little bit. It's kind of looked like it's flatlined sideways for the majority of the day. I know you said you were keeping that on the back burner for possible future plays. All right, let's look at back.
Yeah, I'm not touching bank. Really, I'm not touching many banks at all right now.
I've traded a bunch of times, Bank of America at least. I'm looking for it. It's at 23.88. It's got, wow, it's been pushed down a little bit at the moment. I really want it to drop. I really want Bank of America to drop below 23.
I think it's come down to 20.
I would love for it to be down at 20. Shit, I'd love it to be at 19, 18. I don't know if it'll go that low, but it can. Let's see what the low was for Bank of America in March. Yeah, it was like 17 and change back in March. The big drop. 20, I think, would be like the absolute lowest in something, unless something catastrophic happens. I mean, I don't know. Let's see here.
That was a weird pump on staff. I might add some of this. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little of this.
Yeah, there's still selling pressure on Bank of America. Obviously, that could change very quickly.
Still not.
Can you pull up Elon Musk's tweet? I think he just tweeted something according to Infinite Capital.
A little more.
Let's see if you heard what I said, ladies and gentlemen.
Pull up Elon Musk's personal nudes. I heard that they're great.
Dude, how do you do that? How do you multitask? Like, if you guys knew how much. Okay, let's start with this. If you knew how much I did in a day, you'd be like, how do you do it? I look at Austin like I'm a lazy bum, like, and can't multitask anything. And I work in our Penny Boys Discord and trading and all of that stuff. 16 hours a day. 16 hours a day. And then I look at him and I feel like I'm like challenged. I don't know how he multitasks all the things that he does. You are very talented, young man. You're the most talented cherub I know. I look at Austin's face and it just makes me smile. He's got such a happy face. Yeah, suck it.
A child's grin.
You got that like big jammy thing. I got this little discreet, little
sensually discreet puff stick.
You can't buy these nasty little things anymore. They've all been like banned.
Oh, when they PCP at a certain point, they have to draw the line. Can't believe they put that off.
Go forth. That's really funny you said that. Like, I don't understand how Austin doesn't have the eye bags of death either. I actually told him for the stream that he actually looks the healthiest he's ever looked.
What are the eye
But yeah,
bags
sleep.
of death? Is it an apple
You know,
pie?
when you get these are the eye bags of death right here, right here. See?
Oh,
Yeah, no, he's not human. He is constantly working. He's not human. I'm convinced that Austin is an alien.
who do I hear typing right?
It's not in here.
Maybe it's Duck.
Hey, do you guys in our Discord in Dad's house, can you hear the stream at a decent level? Is it too loud, too low? So I can adjust it if you like. Oh my God. I love that.
I'd be interested in taking tests. Don't out first.
Captain Insano dropped the dad meme, dad gif, or dad something. I don't know what do you even call that. A dad picture.
It's good now. I just worked
Thank
with
you,
Doug getting
Java.
it all fixed.
Javal, thank you.
What's good? What is
None of your business. None of your business. What's good? What you should be doing is giving us a fire play right now, or going over something. Okay, you're slacking.
Because
You're
I'm
not quenching us,
watching.
and we demand more from you.
Man,
We
I'm just so
expect more.
pissed I missed this Tesla consolidation. So I just honestly put it out of my mind. I fudged up, man. I sold. I had this March 2021 calls that'd be paying me substantially right now.
Everybody's with the
Closed
woulda,
them.
coulda, shouldas today. You know, if I put 500,000 in what was it, MDRR, whatever it was, I would have made X. You know, I would be in seven figures right now. Gotta
Just
let
trying to
go of the
get
shoulda,
a
woulda,
half
couldas.
hour. Tesla. Push.
Gotta let go of the shoulda, coulda, wouldas and move on.
I take a little Tesla Lotto right now.
Shoulda, woulda, couldas happen every day. Every day.
I am.
Every day, Austin. You hear me, Austin?
I'm
See,
sure
like I
coulda,
talk to
woulda
him
in
and
real
like
life.
I don't think he hears me, and like he hears me, but it doesn't register. But
I
it
hear it
somehow
all.
it's so weird. He could be like trading and doing like six different things, and I'll say something, and it kind of goes in this like random storage in his alien brain, and it sits there, and then he just pulls it when he needs it from just different things he pulls.
Yeah. I do
You're
hear
an
everything.
you're either an alien or a robot, one or the other.
Hopefully both. A robot
But so,
built by aliens.
it said someone is typing 500 words per minute. Are you pulling the audio from the stream and you're hearing it come back to you
It
from
was
you type?
Sean typing. And
Oh,
we actually me and him did a type off at one point. For like an hour. Did this thing that tests how fast you type. Kinda intense.
yeah. Austin does look weird without a tie-dye shirt. Yeah, it looks a little. He looks very Palm Beach
It's
today.
salmon.
You look like you just
I'm
you
wearing
got
salmon today.
you're wearing your Dockers and you're ready to go down to the marina and just
It wasn't
hop
me
on your
typing. You're
boat
not gonna be
and
able to
just
hear
go
me
for a little
typing.
cruise down to a restaurant, have a drink, and just cruise
Yeah.
back home.
Come on down to Palm Beach.
Yeah, Bank of America is battling here at
Oh
23,
yeah.
this 23 level.
I added one Tesla Lotto. 500 call. Expiry tomorrow. Risking
Somebody
$135.
somebody made a big boo boo. Did not stop out of the GEN trade today, the quick day trade,
Oh no.
and unfortunately they're still holding it like they shouldn't be because they could have gotten out, and if they thought there was going to go
They even put the
again.
stop in there.
No, I know, but it happens, and people learn, and they got to learn the hard way, and it's all good, and that's why we're here, and we can share information and the mistakes we made in the past all we want, but sometimes people have to make mistakes on their own. But they want to know if there's any chance that Jen could make another run. I mean, I don't know.
I wouldn't hold it. The risk is
it,
worth it.
it's just bleeding.
No, yeah, I mean, well, at this point, might as well. I would put a stop. Well, I don't know. It's hemorrhaging right now. Realistically, I'd say it'll probably hold above 50 because that was the previous low.
Yeah.
But
I'm surprised. I'm actually surprised it's this low. To be honest
yeah,
with you,
so
like
am I because the news is
because
quite
because
favorable.
usually even when there's a run up like this, I mean, there's still those leftover shares and people still in it, and I don't know. It's really strange that it did come back down this far. Like,
Yeah, something moved. Was it Apple moved? NNDM, yes, 390.
Investing Bull asks Austin, can you explain how the circle indicator works?
What does the circle indicate?
I don't know. I guess you saw some indicator that was in the shape of a circle maybe on your screen.
Wow, this is fine. So a little more. Why is this doing this? Why are you doing this? On Jeff Bezos. Play with me. Wow, that's fire, dude. I got the 220 in the other. Added some yesterday. Can you believe this came down to 285 yesterday, dude? Unbelievable. Fibonacci circles, Fibonacci arcs, if that's what
Yes.
is in reference currently.
That's probably what he's talking about.
Can I explain it to you? Yes. Will I? No.
Don't be
I'm
an
just kidding. It just would take a lot longer of an explanation than time that we have.
yeah. Don't be a dingbiggle.
So we're working on some more advanced trading, Johns, vidjas and whatnot. So if you're looking to learn more of like the advanced strategy stuff, um, we will be doing that so that you can.
23 minutes till close.
And DM. I don't know if anybody recalls if you were in the Discord. We made like 300% on this the last time.
On what?
NNDM.
Yes.
We played this run. It went well over 6, so I don't know why it's showing. For some reason, the longer the time frame, it doesn't show. Oh, it doesn't show after hours. So it went well over $6 this day. We got it at like $2. It went past 6. That was amazing. Well, actually, no, I think it was 175 or so. That was clear. But if it can sustain these gains, this thing has a lot of upside. Swing play alerted at like 220, I think 230. Unbelievable chains.
Your face is unbelievable.
All right, I'm gonna put that a little bit more.
What were you saying about Apple earlier? Oh yeah, it's been on an uptrend. God, it's so violent. The trading on it is violent, as usual lately. As usual in general.
Yeah, Robin Hood keep breaks down. So yes, got those lottos. I just purchased those. If you added staph with here, if you added staph infection here with me, you should pick up. So
City?
staph infection. Doc, basically it's an index that tracks the value of staph infection.
Sounds like a losing proposition.
Outbreaks, and it goes up when there's outbreaks. Yeah, it does. But no, it's staffing. But it's probably run up in anticipation of the Steve Jobs report. So found support at this previous high of 65. So I added there. Already pushed up to 88 today. I'm hopeful a little bit of a retrace. Great volume, bigger volume than it's had in a very long time.
I haven't done any due diligence on GPOR. Have you looked at GPOR at all, Austin?
Oh, somebody asked me about that. I forgot completely.
Yeah, NASDAQ profiteer.
Gulfport Energy.
I mean, it's
Yeah, no,
dumping right now, but it's been bleeding.
yeah, I wouldn't touch this. Look at that. Don't touch this. Just getting pummeled right now. Literally 2 times as much selling as buying. I
Yeah,
wouldn't
they're
touch
still
that for anything more than like a quick oversold scalp, like 5%. Even then, and there's quite a.
I didn't even see where that. With what I'm seeing, I don't even see it
Oh,
happening.
there's staff moving now, 14%. Quick little day trade. Oh, man.
Unless there's a quick change on it, it's not
I
happening.
wish I'd added way more money than. I'm gonna get. Well, how would they stand if jobs? It's bad. Can anybody check when the last jobs report was? When the last Steve Jobs report came out? Detailing Steve Jobs' personal feelings. Nobody. Nobody.
My coffee go through my nose.
Why? Why?
I can't. I don't want to repeat it. I don't want to offend. I don't want to offend anybody.
You what? Something I said?
No, something Captain Insano said. Like
Oh.
literally, my coffee just like went almost through my nose.
Where do you see this comment?
In our Penny Boys premium alerts
Oh, I'm
membership in live stream chat. And J.K. Bose has been typing for the last 42 seconds. I feel like it's going to be longer. He's just trying to figure out what to say, and he keeps deleting it. Now he stopped. J.K. Bose. Mm.
Who did offend? Oh, someone with that name.
J.K. Bose would like to know, can you break down MACD? Not sure exactly how to use it for my benefit.
I also feel like that he's English.
But he's not,
How do you know?
because I know him.
He'd be lying, dude.
He's been my trading friend for quite some time.
I feel like he could definitely be lying about being English.
He's not.
Lee lied about being English.
He never did.
He hid it.
You are fake news.
Buried his English shame.
You're acting like a muppet right now. Look, can you just give a little tidbit on the MACD?
I'm in the opposite of helpful mode right now.
What is wrong with you?
He's German mostly. I told you. English, German, one and the same. MACD.
Scheiße.
McDonald's indicator.
Guten Tag.
It's the same thing as RSI pretty much. Just buy and sell signals. I don't really use it all that much. I use the price action, the on balance volume, and then pause volume. I am truth. But no, it's just a buy sell indicator that pretty much tracks the same thing: oversold, undersold. Um,
When you work out, do you use Bollinger Bands? You know those Bollinger Bands. You know you work out with the
I think
Bollinger
that
Band.
could be what they're called, though.
Yeah.
The Bollinger Bands could be great to use for looking at swing plays, like in the 4 hour. They're fantastic.
I love when those Bollinger Bands squeeze nice and tight and it shoots up the way you want it to go.
Oh, Tesla stuff. Oh, that would be. I'm actually thinking my life just.
No, Captain Insano, you still have a lot of work to do.
Um, they're not in the.
More importantly, JK Bose, what I'd like to know is if your milkshake brings all the boys to the yard.
Importantly, I'd like to know why are you hold. Ups down. But yeah, I don't really use MACD all that much. Again, just another oversold, undersold indicator. It's all one thing to know is that they're all none of them are forward thinking. I think people that think they are, but they're not. They're only telling you about past price action. So I don't think they can really be used in the way that a lot of people want to use them. Um, the way I would use them though is kind of a measure of what's going on, and then use it to confirm the price action you're seeing. Like that's how I would use them. But above all else, on balance volume, and then I use the price action. Trend lines are probably the best, in my opinion, the best way to trade right now. I don't want to set a stop because I clapped. Holding that little teeny semblance right there, 72. Easy 10%. Oh, that's what I wanted. That price ladder. Is Apple pushing back up? I was going to add to the 126 boys. Five, 73.49 is the price. And those. Oh, it gets gobbled back up. I gotta hurry.
Oh, what do you mean you want to rap, Tag Man?
Robin John desktop is slow, dude.
Captain Insano, thank you for the clarification on what time frame you use for what indicator. Sometimes you all tell us indicators, but I know that it depends on time frame. You mentioned before that the pivot points you usually use on the dailies, sometimes the hour. I was never sure what time frame to use the Bollinger Bands.
4 hour. In my opinion, if you're looking for like swing plays, that could be a big blast up. That's what I used to use them for. I just want this to load so I can buy this.
Tag Man, Quench, Laser, Captain Insano. When he was a little baby boy, Austin got a brand new toy. Two computers and a mic, and he learned to trade so dynamite. Time went by, and he's got a creation. He knew someday we would rock the nation, so we made up our mind just what to do. And we joined the Penny Boys production crew. So go crazy, go crazy. Don't let your body be lazy. I say don't stop the body rock till your eyes starts to get hazy. Clean out your ears and you open your eyes. If you want to trade, just come alive. You got to trade it up. You got to trade it down. Come on, party people. This is Penny Boys Town. All right, there you go, Tagman.
Rap guy. Let's go on shit quick. On balance, volume, OBV. The best one is in Thinkorswim, to be honest. That's the one that I prefer.
Wow, this stream looks blurry
Really?
on YouTube. Yeah.
Why?
JK Bose is like, name another stream. Name another Discord with freestyles. I'll wait. Now sing in country music tone.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Have a theme song from Friends. I don't want to wait
Oh, God.
for our lives to be over.
Oh, my God.
I should make TNT's husband jealous.
Oh, he just came to your house and smashed your door. He heard that. He flew to Florida to beat your ass.
TNT. Hello, TNT. How you doing? It's Dr. Fast Eddie with the loves to you. And hey, I'm coming right exact. They're gonna be a Romeo. This is straight up fact. I wanna love you the way you do, kiss it from at the toe, and the things never thought possible to express how I feel about you. Don't move slow, just calmly go with the flow. Let your head on leave from me, old Romeo. I'm tired. I've been working too long with Big Quench,
That needs to push
Lily
it.
Star, Ed Boy, TNT, Jay Steves. All right, I'm done. I think I lost like $2,000 while not looking at my trades and doing this nonsense.
Yeah, it was worth it.
This is why you need stop losses. Okay, I only lost $225.
How did Zoom do today? Oh,
I don't even look at it.
A lot of
Dude,
this
I can't-
tech had a fantastic rebound. This is the ad today.
Why does YouTube look blurry?
Dude, look, that's why I hate stops, dude. This just came down, clapped my stop, and came right back up. But took that staff trade. That was an easy 13%. Money, quick, fast, over, done. All right. This.
Is YouTube, is it the restream I'm doing here in Discord, party people, is it blurry for you? If it, I guess it has to be. It's blurry for me, so it's got to be blurry for them. I'm just restreaming it in here for my peeps.
All right. I think Duck's doing it. Yeah, it's not that blurry.
I don't see Duck in here.
Yeah, he's in there.
Is YouTube, is it where? The restream I'm doing here in Discord, party people, is it blurry for you? Where? Oh, there he is. I guess it has to be. It's blurry for me, so it's got to be blurry from just restreaming it. So wait, are we both streaming at the same time?
All right. I think Duck's doing it. Well, it's yeah, crazy. It's not that blurry.
I don't see Duck in here.
Yeah, he's in there.
Is YouTube, is it where? The restream I'm doing here. There is Duck. I was looking alphabetically, but he's up top.
Keep my eye on this. Oh, come on. Yeah. business. I want to see what the sect is. How the sect is. Oh, insider sales on DraftKings. Did DraftKings take a shit today? I can't believe
Donkey
we
Kong.
made so much money today, dude. Look at how intense it is right
I
now.
I know.
Red market for the most part, so industrials are doing well.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if there was any news on Donkey Kong. That's what I called DraftKings because of the ticker DKNG.
So there's a lot of insider
Uh,
selling and people.
oh my God, there's a
Yeah.
lot of news on that today, in one way, shape, or form related to that stock.
Oh
But yeah,
man, I took a shit. I should have sold more at 60. I
when you say
left.
shit, it sounds so dirty.
Yes.
Like I feel like I need to take another shower
Good.
every time you say it.
Well, let's
Yeah,
put oil on energy.
it definitely has been selling off pretty hard today.
Yeah,
Bit of
but
fake
that's
out.
because it's been so green. I don't think it's. I think it's just profit taking. Honestly, looks like money's flowing back into industrials right now. That means we already got FedEx. We're up quite a bit on that. Yes, would have been one today. PE 8%. Honeywell's always good. That I'm holding long.
Now Patricia's in the house. What's up, Patricia?
PayPal's had a hell of a month.
What is going on? I
Oh,
just want Apple to like go, 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 go. What's Teslonius at today? Teslonius Jackson,
Tesla's
461. It's been
selling off
holding up really good around this 460 level.
back down. So, but headed those auto boys for tomorrow.
How'd those NIO calls go?
Oh, dude, we made 800%.
I know.
Fantastic.
I just wanted to shout that out again.
Yeah, Jen's still coming down. So if you're stuck in it, I don't know. It's obviously shorts are covering right now for the day closes. Means that it could recover slightly, but I wouldn't put too much faith in it. It is an appealing buy now because like set your stop below 50, 5% at most. The upside's probably 10.
Yeah, a lot of things Austin says makes me feel fuzzy inside as well. Go forth.
Mm-hmm.
His word he was referring to that gives him the most fuzzy feeling is when you say fantastic.
What?
When you say fantastic. See, that's when that's where he was doing too much at once and really didn't. He heard me speak, but he didn't listen.
No, it's weird. It's I know what it is. It's that I like ask questions to like I know what you're saying. I could respond. I think, but I'm doing something else. So I ask the questions to increase to fill the space until I'm prepared to respond.
Fill the gap. There's a
Mm-hmm.
gap to fill.
Exactly.
Fantastic.
My
He loves the way
life.
you say He loves the way you say fantastic. Ed Boy 21 wants to know when is it time for Neo puts?
Uh, it was at I don't know 26.5 or so. That BLNK. Boom. Another swing. Jocelyn.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we want to welcome everybody to Lily Star's Sweet 16 celebration this afternoon.
Now I'm interested to see what happens. Yeah. I think what happens now will give us the indication of how tomorrow's going.
So this is 2 days in a row, right, that the indexes are down?
I
2 days in
think
a row.
Makusama said that.
How come I don't hear your bell going off?
It already did.
Oh. Market close. Now I gotta switch to my after hours trading setup.
Oh, damn it, dude. Staff was just waiting for after hours. That 83, that'd be quick hit. That'd be like 30%.
You watch your fucking language.
Damn it. Faith. Play. Be interested to watch Jen here. I doubt it, but look at all that selling. The whole day was selling. Boom.
Yeah.
Done. Cake. Cash. Done. Good staff has room and it's a super low float. It has room to run to $1 plus.
What was that stock we day traded today? MDRR?
I think so.
MDRR. I got in it at $1.99, and then I think it halted around 260 something or whatever, and I bugged out. I sold half at like 290s, and then it pulled back again, and I bought the other half 260s, and then sold it again.
That was a fantastic play.
At 3 something, and then high threes, and then you alerted it, and I took that play, and then I didn't touch it since. But there was good price action on it today. What's that at now? I haven't even looked at it all day. MDRR, right? MDRR.
Damn.
Guessing it's in. Oh wow, yeah, 268. Now, something interesting about MDRR that Dr. John Watson, pointed out at 8:30 this morning in the group was that they announced a 50-cent per share dividend. Did you hear me?
Who did?
See, he's not paying attention.
I don't know what stock.
MDRR, the one you day traded
really?
today. That they announced a 50-cent per share dividend that is supposed to. Let me actually just look it up.
I wonder what's the dividend date. That'd be a great. It's cheap.
October
enough.
23rd, my friend.
You have to own it by. You have to be holding it on October 23rd.
I don't know what the restrictions are to it, but let me pull it up. Medalist Diversified REITs. Come on, pull up.
Damn it, dude! To 110. Jesus. 70%, dude.
On? Say it again.
On that staff play I just did on the live stream.
I like the way you're so excited that your voice is cracking a little bit, like like you just hit puberty. That's huge. It's huge.
God, I wish I held that post out.
Medalist Diversified REIT announced a Series A preferred stock cash a dividend. If you don't know what a REIT is, it's a real estate investment trust. Series A dividend will be payable in cash on October 26th to holders as of record of Series A preferred stock as of October 23rd, 2020. That sounds too good to be true.
Yeah, it does.
So if I recall correctly, I need to pull up the chart on this. So it's like you could buy the stock, have a 50-cent loss when you buy it, and your dividend will cover that 50% loss. That 50-cent loss, I should say.
Yeah.
So what would be bottom level to buy that you would break even if it were to drop 50 cents?
What is the ticker again? MRKK?
MDRR.
Yeah, but are these the preferred shares, though?
But you can buy them.
I'm saying, are these the right class of share? No, it's probably these, dude. $15 boys. And I bet the confusion was that people thought it was the regular MDR shares, and that's probably why it pumped and then dumped. I hope nobody held that.
Well, I mean, if you bought it yesterday, you bought it this morning, you're still sitting in green.
Well, yeah, if you bought it this morning, I'm saying I hope nobody read that when it was at like $5. And it's like, oh, this is a steal.
Oh God, I would never. Series A dividends. I don't have too much time to look that up because I got other stuff I gotta do. But maybe I'll call my brother-in-law and shoot it over to him to research it for me.
Yeah, that's what
For us.
I would ask, and that'd be cool.
Call the family office. What's the date today? The 14th?
Oh boy. What did Amazon close at? Damn, it came back down. Jeff Bezos. Sucks. Hell, Jeff. Bad.
Yeah, I think it. I'll have them look, but if it's the Series A, it's the $15.
Yeah,
The MDRRP.
that's why I checked. That's how she goes.
Let's look at the chart. Is it restricted? I'll have them look at it. Got to move on. Stick and move.
Yeah, all right. Does anybody else have any more questions? We gotta do this.
Not a lot of questions
Not a lot of
in
questions,
the
yeah.
Discord.
Hella questions all the other times, but not that many right now. Dun, 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 dun.
Eddie, it's a Series A is what's dividended.
Yeah, that's what I
Can you
figured.
hear me, Eddie? Series A.
Can you hear John?
No?
Oh, he might have muted the Discord. He said yeah, it's 100% Series A,
Yeah.
$15 ones.
How do you hear John?
I don't know. I could just hear John.
Oh, you must hear him in the Discord then.
Yeah, so I hear him right now. Wow, that staff play's unbelievable. It's still going. So congratulations if you picked it up at 65 on this live stream. You're looking at basically damn near 100% profit. You're like 80% right now in 5 minutes. Congratulations. You won the lottery. Yeah, dude, we have been crushing it, to be honest.
True
Last couple
story.
weeks especially have been fantastic. That NIO one still blows my mind, dude. I love seeing 500% plus.
Yep. We had a lot of people make a lot of money on that. It was great. Is CLSK doing a reverse split? JK Bose wants to know.
What is it called?
CLSK. Clean Spark.
Why would they do that?
CLSK. Aren't they at like $9?
Yeah, why would they reverse split? An offering, maybe? I heard the talk.
Well, I think they had a.
They already had it, though, I thought. Yeah, the offering was at $9. It's already above 9. I added a good amount.
Didn't they already have?
Yeah, it
Didn't they already
opened
have?
and closed.
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude. Amazon, what the hell? Gotta be a glitch. Yeah, I still don't understand how that happens.
It only happens pre-market or after-market. I know
Yeah,
exactly what you're
why?
talking about. It's just data glitches.
Or something's really being sold at that price.
Nah. Well, that would be crazy because it happens all the time.
Yeah. No, I don't know. But yeah, CLSK, I don't know where you
we'd have to-
procured that information, but it is not true. Wouldn't. I just see nuts.
Imagine Ching, where do you see a reverse split for CLSK? If you have a link, if you could put it here in the live stream chat, that would be great. It makes no sense, but whatever. Moving on. Get a link.
Dev's still going to this house. What a treat. Did anybody get in on that? Anybody at all? They buy
On
the
what?
staff, STAF. The one I did on here.
I did not. I should have, but I did not. I wish I did. Is it just a pump and dump, or what are the news?
or the jobs report thing. Also, like one thing I've noticed is like the FOMO thing. It's interesting how it works, but like for instance at NIO play, people all day were like, "Hey, yeah, I'm still buy it now, right?" The safe entry was when I alerted it, and like the fact that we had, you know, 800% plus is because we it's trusting the setup, and you have to be able to trust the setup. Don't then you shouldn't be in the play. You're just chasing it. So like as I've been talking about in the group over and over, it's been primed to move. I knew it would happen. Hopefully, I was hoping it would be end of week. That was a lotto play, but we also added the January calls, which are up like 60%. But thing is, it's like, oh, if you want to have like crazy good plays, I guess if you want to have the huge gains, you just gotta trust the setup and add when it's in consolidation mode. And that's what NIO had been doing for the last like almost like week. Or well,
Imagine Ching, you're riling us all up. Roll,
look at that.
roll. It's all
So
good.
you had to add during this consolidation. We added right on the bottom bounce, and we were rewarded. But I've been saying it for like a week in here. Look at this consolidation channel right here. I was just waiting, waiting, waiting until it got close enough that I thought it was time, and yesterday was time, so we added it. And then boom, explosion,
And then what?
explosion of gains.
I really like the way you say boom, dog.
Explosion. But yeah, so keep that in mind. You got to take the play when it's in consolidation mode. You don't want to, especially with options, you don't want to chase them when they're up here. Some of you did chase it and got lucky, but remember that it's getting lucky, not not the kind of play I would take. Just to be honest with
Airlines are looking ugly.
you. But yeah, that jobs report's going to detail all those layoffs. They're going to be bad.
They've been talking about airlines all day. They've been talking about all their debt, their cash burn. Delta's Delta's happy because I think yesterday Ed Bastian, CEO, who I speaker coached, um, and we did events for with companies to own, but great guy. 10 million cash burn a day. I think United is $25 million cash burn a day right now. Just to give you an idea, it's crazy.
Yeah, it is. I'm holding some Delta January calls, which is disappointing. That'll be rough, but it is what it is.
You done for. Look at the look of confusion on Big Quench's face.
Oh, it's a CLSK news is this little short turd. Um,
John, you can't do server bumps while we're in a live stream. That's not fair. You're not playing fair.
oh, he did it. I had it typed already. That bastard. But he's on my team.
Dude, you're
so
you're
that's
like in
fine.
last place, man.
Hey,
Your
man.
team is carrying you, but for
Good.
like solo, I
Dude,
think I
solo
crush
doesn't matter.
everybody.
It's a team game.
I know it became a team game.
I will allow the team to carry my dead weight across the trench.
Their shoulders are hurting, their backs are tired from carrying you all this time.
Good. He was just waiting for that. I already had it typed.
Yeah. I think he's got it on like a hotkey now. He doesn't, but he's got his alarm set every 2 hours to bump the server. It's hysterical. Lily's slacking. Laser's slacking. You're slacking.
Just
John's been
wait.
carrying you.
I'm gonna wait, and I'm gonna get him in the night, and then
Lee
I'm gonna
carried you.
start deleting them after I bump it, so no one knows when the time is.
There's a way to get around that.
What is that?
Just do a bump and it tells you when the next
Then I'll
one. You
delete
can
it
do the
again.
next one.
Or you know what I could do? Right around, I could
What?
set an alarm, and at the time when it's time, I just
Yeah.
turn this channel on read only for everyone but me. Oh, that's awesome. Power.
Oh my God. It's so funny.
Power.
Yeah, J.K. Bowes, it's not quite a Dr. John Watson moment. You know, me saying, I wish I took the play is vastly different than I'm upset or I am so mad or I'm angry or I'm pissed off that I didn't take the play. Know what I'm saying? Oh my God.
This CLSK thing's actually quite an interesting read.
What thing?
Uh, that they basically owe preferred shares at a ridiculously low price, and this piece of shit vulture firm which has destroyed other companies trying to do the same thing right now. It's all
That's
true,
because,
but
yeah, they're probably shorting it. Sounds like a Hindenburg.
yeah. I don't know. I'll put everyone just it's on Seeking Alpha. It's free, but I'll have to look into the truth of it first. But all right, I got to blast out here. We got that conference call in like 10
Yes,
minutes,
sir.
5 minutes.
All right. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Thank you for chilling with us for the Power Hour live on Wednesday. We're trying to make this a fixed thing, and then we'll shoot in some streams whenever you guys, whenever we get a chance. And in live stream chat, if you guys enjoy these streams and the other streams we do throughout the week from Tagman and Duck and myself and Austin, just let us know here in the chat if you guys enjoy all the different types of streams that we do, whether they're audio streams or video streams, and you want us to keep them going.
Yeah.
But we got a
Love
great
y'all.
community, great
Stay
huge
blessed.
community. We definitely love you guys, and see you on the flip side. All right.